Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here we have the Jayco Journey 1961-3 Outback. Let's go have a look. So there's nothing more relaxing than sitting under the awning and listening to a few tunes. So we're going to run through the Furrion DV5700 and how you operate it. Okay, so operating a stereo, firstly turn it on, wait for the screen to light up. Now we can select our mode using the mode button, so you can have stereo, you can pair to your phone, or you can have an auxiliary input. Now if you wish to play a CD, drop the face down, insert the CD and lift it back up. Now to access the external speaker mode, hit the select button. You'll get bass, treble and fade, and then just adjust the fade in or out, and that will turn on your internal and external speakers. To turn the unit off, just hit the on button again, and for all other detailed information, please refer to the owner's manual. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.